His Gracious Majesty Oseadeeyo Dr. Frimpong Manso IV, Chief of the Akyem Kotoku State, has lauded the Presbyterian Church of Ghana for its outstanding contributions to education and healthcare delivery in Ghana, describing the church as one of the nation's most reliable partners in development. The chief made these remarks when he led a high-powered delegation from the Akyem Kotoku State to pay a historic courtesy call on the Moderator of the General Assembly of the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Right Reverend Dr. Nana Opare Kwakye, at the Presbyterian Church of Ghana Head Office in Osu, Accra, on Tuesday, October 28, 2025. The visit sought to strengthen the cordial relationship between the church and the traditional authority and to discuss opportunities for partnership in promoting education, health, moral renewal, and community development. In his address, His Gracious Majesty Oseadeeyo Dr. Frimpong Manso IV praised the Presbyterian Church for its long-standing legacy in nation building, describing its contributions as second only to that of the government of Ghana. When it comes to education and healthcare, only the government surpasses the Presbyterian Church, he declared. From the establishment of schools that have shaped great minds to hospitals that continue to save lives, the Presbyterian Church of Ghana has truly lived out its calling to serve both God and humanity.
In West Akyem, almost 200 years ago, where we used to call Jadam is now Osino. The Presbyterian roots were established there almost 200 years ago. So we have had our history with the Presbyterian Church. The things that the Presbyterian Church have done in this country goes unmatched. If you take the government is the only institution that provides more health services than the Presbyterian Church. You are for development, you build schools, health is important, but education and building the human capacity of the Ghanaian has been the forefront of the Presbyterian Church. And we've seen it in the universities that you are opening in our hometown, in Agogo. Kotoku is Agogo. That's where we spread it and came over. So we are saying that this is an introduction, and for my chiefs to also know that if they hear Presbyterian Church is Kotoku, and they should feel comfortable dealing with them in any of the towns. If Presbyterian Church needs something and they come to them, it's almost like a command. And that is why we are here.
The chief noted that the church's pioneering role in setting up some of Ghana's most reputable educational institutions and health facilities has had a transformational impact on generations of Ghanaians. He further praised the Presbyterian Church of Ghana for maintaining a balance between spiritual growth and social responsibility, saying the church's discipline and commitment to excellence continue to inspire the nation. He also expressed appreciation to the church for its moral leadership and advocacy on national issues, adding that traditional rulers can draw inspiration from the church's example of integrity and accountability in leadership. Responding, the moderator, Right Reverend Dr. Nana Opare Kwakye, thanked His Gracious Majesty and his delegation for their warm sentiments. He reaffirmed the church's commitment to strengthening partnerships with traditional leaders to promote holistic development in education, health, and environmental protection.
Indeed, your words are inspiring. They are wonderful, they are lovely, and we are happy. We are happy to have you here. I would say that it is good that I've heard your words, because in tracing your history, you've helped us to understand that actually maybe our understanding of Kotoku has always been limited to the presbytery in which we work, but that Kotoku goes all the way, so that Dunkwa is still your roots. And actually, I've just come from that area only this weekend. We were with them at Obuasi. And Agogo is one of our very significant and important stations in that presbytery. And so we are grateful to God for your work. The Presbyterian Church of Ghana, as you rightly know, especially I love the way you have put it that Kotoku is Presbyterian and Presbyterian is Kotoku. So the Presbyterian Church of Ghana traces a history all the way to 1828 when the first Basel missionaries arrived here in the Gold Coast, actually to this town. And from there, missions spread mainly to the Akyem areas and then to other areas. At the time, as you rightly said, His Gracious Majesty, Kotoku was at the time in the Osino Jadem area. And actually, I have read how the then Kotoku Hine Ajimai invited the Basel missionaries to Jadem. And the early missionary named Simon Sus played a very significant role in establishing the work of the Basel mission in that area.
In the health sector, the church operates 62 health facilities, including 14 clinics and 25 community-based health centers, alongside 2 primary hospitals at Asen Praso and Garu, and 4 district hospitals in Boku, Domahinkro, Donkokrom, and Ebri. Its flagship Agogo Presbyterian Hospital, established in 1931, serves as the church's major secondary and regional hospital, while additional specialized services include a regional psychiatric hospital in Bolgatanga, a regional eye care center, and community-based rehabilitation centers at Garu and Sandema. In education, the church operates one of the largest mission-based school systems in Ghana, with 2,896 institutions comprising 1,024 kindergartens, 1,082 primary schools, 743 junior high schools, 36 senior high schools, 5 colleges of education, 4 TVET institutions, and 2 universities, reflecting an unmatched commitment to nurturing human capital from basic to tertiary levels. Through these facilities, the Presbyterian Church of Ghana continues to shape lives, empower communities, and advance quality health and education nationwide.